Welcome back once again to another sandwich Saturday. Let's get straight in here. Tomatoes, avocado, onion there cut really small, cilantro or coriander, whatever you call that. I'm using some cheddar cheese, some hot pepper sauce, a little bit of lemon juice, a little bit of mayonnaise. We're going to mix that all together, add a little bit of black pepper. Okay, so the avo's in there, the tomatoes, the onion and the cilantro are in. Let's get that cheese in to kind of bind it all together. Let's get that little bit of lemon in there, lemon juice. Little bit of hot sauce and a little bit of mayo, just like, a tablespoon of mayo for this amount. Okay, let's give that a mix. Okay, 4 slices of bread for 2 sandwiches, buttered them. These are the outside, so let's flip these 2 over. I've got my gloves on because I'm going to grab this with my hand, this stuff. Pop our filling in. Let's be super generous with it as well. Nice and thick. Just press it out there. You can use a spoon to do this if you want, but a little bit easier with your hand. So that's beautifully thick, that is. And then we're going to grab these 2, and that's butter side up. So butter side down, butter side up. Lovely. Let's go to the toaster. So as you can see, I've got one of these press grills, you fold it over like that. I'm going to get these sandwiches on there, lift them up nice and gently. Pop one on there. Pop the other one on there. Close the lid. You know what we're looking for here. We're going to be going for about 4 minutes. I like to go on maximum heat. Nice golden brown. See you in a moment. Okay, let's jump in and take a look. They look really good. Really, really beautifully toasty. Let's get those on the board, cut them open. Delicious. They sound great. Let's cut them open here. See what we've got inside. Look at that, beautiful. Really, really beautiful. I'll just stand them up for you there. Look at that. Crispy on the outside, beautifully moist, melted cheese, bit of chili and everything in there. Fantastic. Let's have a little taste. Oh wow, that's good. Lots of love.